Next upgrade is brakes. So we've got a set of TerrianTamer vented and slotted brakes. It's going to go on the Fjcruiser, and yeah, show you some photos and updates as we go along. Nice. Man ziet er ook niet, er zitten pinholes en dan zie je een beetje zijn.
They sent us everything else except for the beer.
Oh.
No TerrianTamer beer.
Oh, that's
Disappointed.
Thank you, TerrianTamer, for no beer this Christmas.
And we got it off with some ingenuity, or ingenuity as in Ivan's mechanical know-how. Out of the old, in with the brand spanking new. Stay tuned for more. And that just looks right. That looks beautiful.
Oh.